fraction will be equal to 4 by 5 if 1 is added to both numerator and denominator. If however 5 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator, the fraction will be equal to 1 by 2. What is the fraction? You have to find the fraction. Numerator and denominator are two variables. Here are two variables. We have to form two equations. To find two variables, we need two equations. From given conditions, we have to form two equations. Now see, a fraction will be equal to 4 by 5 if 1 is added to both numerator and denominator. First you have to take the fraction. Let the fraction be x by y. Let the fraction be x by y. Here x is numerator and y is denominator. Now the first condition. If 1 is added to both numerator and denominator, when we add 1 to numerator, the numerator becomes x plus 1. And when we add 1 to denominator, that one becomes 5 plus 1. Now this is equal to 4 by 5 by problem. By problem, x plus 1 by y plus 1 is equal to 4 by 5, because when we add 1 to both numerator and denominator, the fraction will be equal to 4 by 5. Now do cross multiplication. X plus 1 into 5 is equal to y plus 1 into 4. Now multiply x plus 1 into 5, 5 into x, 5x plus 5 into 1, 5, that is equal to 4 into y, 4y plus 4 ones are 4. Now transpose y term and transpose 5 to RHS. You will get 5x minus 4y is equal to 4 minus 5. We are transposing 5 to RHS and 4y to LHS. From this you will get 5x minus 4y is equal to minus 1. Let this one as first equation. By first condition we got first equation. Now see the second condition. Second condition is, if we subtract 5 from both numerator and denominator, the fraction will be equal to 1 by 2. Now x minus 5, subtracting 5 from numerator and subtracting 5 from denominator. Now this one will be equal to 1 by 2. This is second condition. Again do cross multiplication. From this, x minus y into 2 x minus 5 into 2 is equal to 1 into y minus 5, or y minus 5 into 1. 2 into x, 2x minus 2 5s are 10 is equal to y into 1, y, 5 ones are 5. Now transpose y to LHS and 10 to RHS. Now this one becomes 2x. When y comes this side, becomes minus y, minus 5. When minus 10 transposes to RHS, becomes plus 10. Now see this one, 2x minus y is equal to minus 5 plus 10 is nothing but plus 5. Let this one as second equation. Now it is second equation. You have to solve first and second equation to obtain xy values. In first equation, coefficient of y is 4. In second equation, coefficient of y is 1. To eliminate y, if we multiply second equation with 4, then both the variables are equal, then we can eliminate y. Now do first equation minus second equation into 4. We have to subtract second equation into 4 from first equation. First equation you have to take as it is, that is 5x minus 4y is equal to minus 1. This is first equation, and second equation into 4. You have to multiply second equation with 4. Now see, second equation is 2x minus y is equal to 5. Now we are multiplying this one with 4. 4 into 2, 8x. 4 into 1y is nothing but 4y is equal to 4 5s are 20. We are subtracting, so you have to change the notation. Plus 8x, you have to take minus 8x. Minus 4y, this one becomes plus 4y. Plus 20 becomes minus 20. 5x minus 8x gives minus 3x. Minus 4y plus 4y get cancelled. This is equal to minus 1 minus 20 is equal to minus 21. Minus 3x is equal to minus 21. Therefore, x is equal to minus 21 by minus 3. Minus minus get cancelled. 3 ones are, 3 sevens are. Therefore, x is equal to 7. We got one value, x is equal to 7. Now, from the either equation, second or first, you can find y value. See the first equation. Since first equation is 5x minus 4y is equal to minus 1, substitute x value. 5 into x is nothing but 7 minus 4y equal to minus 1. 5 sevens are 35. Transpose minus 1 to LHS and minus 4y to RHS. This one becomes plus 1 equal to plus 4y. From this, 4y is equal to 36. Y is equal to 36 by 4. 4 ones are, 4 nines are. Therefore, y is equal to 9. We got y value also. Therefore, the required fraction is equal to x by y, that is nothing but 7 by 9. 7 by 9 is a required fraction.